Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular Xiaomi security cameras, the CW400 and the CW300. If you're looking to upgrade your home security, you'll want to stick around because we'll break down connectivity, features, pricing, and ultimately help you decide which one is better for your needs. Connectivity. Let's start with connectivity. The Xiaomi CW400 relies solely on Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz, but it comes with dual antennas to boost signal strength. That means a decent wireless connection, but no option for wired backup. On the other hand, the CW300 supports both Wi-Fi and wired LAN. This dual option makes it more versatile and ensures a stable connection even in areas with weak Wi-Fi. Special features. Now, onto special features. The CW400 shines with its time-lapse video recording. This is perfect for capturing long-term events in a compressed format, like monitoring a garden or construction progress. The CW300, however, focuses on smart security with human tracking. It can detect and follow people, giving your home an extra layer of safety and real-time alerts. Pricing and market presence. When it comes to price, the CW400 is the premium option. Released globally in October 2023, it underwent extensive testing but did receive some mixed feedback. Meanwhile, the CW300 came out in early 2024 at a more budget-friendly price and addresses many of the CW400's earlier concerns. So, which one should you pick? If you want advanced features like time-lapse recording and don't mind paying a bit more, the CW400 is a solid choice. But if you're looking for reliable connectivity, human tracking, and a budget-friendly option, the CW300 clearly takes the lead. That's it for today's comparison. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Which camera would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below.